Today, share with you a very delicious hometown fish nuggets. It's very simple. After it comes out of the pot, tender and tasty on the outside, it's very good to drink and eat. Inside. Let's take a look at how to do it next. The grass cup in the supermarket is on sale for only 6 yuan. I bought 2 slices of fish for 8 yuan today. We start with a knife. Scrape the black membrane inside the fish's belly clean. These dark membranes are the main source of the fish's smell. Then change the fish nuggets to knives. Cut into 6 slices of about 2 cm square. These fish nuggets are made with flower knives. This is convenient to taste. After all are cut, put it on a larger plate. Add a spoonful of salt, add some cooking wine, then go and scratch it. There's a lot of mucus on the surface. We can remove the mucus from it well with salt. Next, pour in a little more water. Start again to clean the fish nuggets. Remove the washed fish pieces from the water and put them aside. Next, for later use. Add a pinch of salt to the bowl. Sprinkle with a little pepper. Add some cooking wine to remove the fish's smell. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Then we pour the fish pieces into the bowl. Start by giving it a good grasp and mix evenly. If you want to make fish nuggets that taste delicious, the marinating step is also crucial. After grabbing it all well, beat some egg whites into it. Can make fish more tender. Then start grabbing it and mixing it evenly. After grabbing well, add 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch to it. Keep grabbing and mixing evenly. Add starch. It can lock the moisture in the fish well. It's almost enough to grab the noodles like this. Marinate for 20 分钟 use and set aside. Prepare a small section of slice with a black knife. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another small piece of ginger. Cut into hop pieces. Cut and pack. Set aside in bowl. Next, prepare some garlic. Just cut it in half. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Friends who like spicy food can prepare some millet in circles. Prepare a few more green peppers. Also cut it into small circles. Green and red peppers can also be matched with colors. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare 2 cilantro. Cut into small pieces. Next, pour a little more rapeseed oil into the pot. Heat the oil to 50%. Then we put it down into the pot piece by piece. Turn on medium and low heat and fry when slowly. Frying, gently flip it with chopsticks. Prevent fish nuggets from sticking. Fry the fish until set. When you fry the fish pieces until they are golden on the surface first. Then the oil temperature continues to rise and remove the residue from the oil. Then fry the fish again. By refrying, the skin of the fish nuggets is more crispy. Don't take too long to refry, about 30 seconds or so. Fry until the skin is golden and crispy. We fish it out. Put it on a plate for later use. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. First, pour the garlic and fry until fragrant. When you fry the garlic until it's golden on the surface, take it out for later use. Then add 2 star anise to it. The aroma of star anise. Stir fry until fragrant. Add a small handful of prickly ash and dried chili. Stir fry evenly. Never burn. Then add the onion and ginger as well. Continue to stir fry for fragrance. After all the incense, add 2 more spoonfuls of bean paste. Keep stirring. Stir fry for sauce flavor. At this time, add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little cooking wine to remove the fishy smell, add a little dark soy sauce to improve the color. Then mix well. After shaking well, pour an appropriate amount of water into it. Bring the water to a boil. Let the fragrance inside be fully released. At this time, you can use a colander to take out all the residue inside. Don't. Then pour the fried fish pieces down. Then we tidy it up with chopsticks. Dip all the fish pieces into the soup to absorb the aroma. This time, you can add a small piece of rock sugar to freshen it up. You can add garlic at this time. Sprinkle some pepper. Then you can turn the fire to collect the juice. Wait until the soup inside is almost ready. Add the green and red peppers. Finally, cover the pot. Simmer on high heat for 2分钟. It's time. We open the lid. Wow, that smells great. Such a delicious fragrance. The crispy braised fish nuggets on the outside and tender on the inside. You can put it on the plate next. Enjoy it beautifully. The fish nuggets made according to this method are tender and juicy, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's not enough to make a big plate at a time. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video.